में 2 लोग 5 members. It's very less strength. Why? Okay, I'll ask and some other here. Let us learn the trigonometric functions of the sum and difference of the angles. See here, once unit circle you take into consider here, and A is a point, and B is another point, and C and D are the point. A is a point in first on the x-axis, and B is a point. So the angle AOB x radians you consider. Angle AOB x radians you consider. Angle BOC. Whose mic is Devyan? Please off the mic. Angle BOC you consider as a y degrees. Okay. So whenever you consider the angles in this way, you see here AOB is a x and BOC. Angle BOC is the y radians. And whenever you take that one in anti-clockwise direction from the x-axis onwards, AOD, the measure which is equals to the y angle, how much you have taken in the same angle measure you have to take in anti-clockwise, clockwise direction. So when you take it in a clockwise direction, the angle will be measured as a minus y. So you know that here a point P present on the circle A comma B is nothing but that point will be taken as a cos x and sin x for the unit circle if you take into consider. Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here A to P, whenever you take the cos x is equals to A units, this all the things you know, sin x is equals to B units, you are going to get. This is a basic thing you know that. And cos of minus x is equals to cos x you learn, sin of minus x is equals to minus sin x you learn. Negative angles, whenever you take into consider. And the figure what you have taken into A is equals to 1 comma 0, the radius of the unit circle 1 you consider. Then what are the coordinates of the B you are going to get here? Because it is B is making, OB is making an angle of x radians with the x-axis. So that's why the coordinates of the B is cos x and sin x because x radians. And in the same way, C coordinates whenever you take into consider, A to C tak what is the angle you are getting? X plus y. In anti-clockwise direction, it is making an angle of x plus y. Then the C coordinates you are going to get as a cos x plus y, sin x plus y. Okay. So, and in the same way, can you say the here already given to you? D coordinates are cos minus y, sin minus y in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Did you understand till here?
सर सी कोऑर्डिनेट्स का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर.
C coordinates very simple here. The C is making an angle of here onwards you need to here angle with a mark I am showing to you. B to C, BOC is y degrees. BOC is a y degrees. But whenever the angle will be taken into consider, these coordinates will be decided where this ray is making an angle of what angle with the x-axis. That should be taken into consider. So with the x-axis, it is making an angle of x plus y radians. So therefore, this angle is here to here, the angle is x plus y. The coordinates of the C are cos x plus y and sin x plus y you are going to get. In the same way, the coordinates of the D, whenever you take into consider, if you want D, you need either in anti-clockwise direction from the x-axis onwards, here to here tak you need. But we are taken this line OD, the measure which is equals to the y in a clockwise direction. So that's why you are going to get here minus y this is. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So D coordinates are cos y and minus sin y you are going to get. The coordinates of the D. So these are the different coordinates of the A, B, C, D, and which are given to you in your figure also giving to. D coordinates are what you cos of minus y, cos y you will get, and sin of minus y minus sin y. So now in the triangle BOD you take into consider and AOC triangle. AOD, BOD and AOC triangle. Okay, BOD triangle and AOC triangle. These two triangles, whenever you take into consider, OB equal to OC and radius, both are radii of the circles, and OD equal to OA, either highlight or देखो. And angle, if you take into consider, angle BOD angle is the Y plus COD. That is equals to AOC also. AOC also what? Sir, it is minus Y now. The measure we are going to represent with the negative for showing it is an anti-clockwise direction. But measure will not be taken as a minus Y. The representation will be given to you with the negative symbol. So the here whenever angle BOD you take into consider, BOD is nothing but see here onwards, BOD here तक. I'm showing to you with the arrow mark here to here, BOD. So this is Y plus this one, COD. In the same way, if you take this AOC triangle, that angle will be equals to this Y plus COD, both are equal. So that angles are both are equal angles you are going to get. So by the SIS congruency, the two triangles are congruent. Triangle BOD, that angle, see here, and triangle AOC are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, did you understand this part?
Yes, sir.
So now here you take the length of AC will be equal to length of BD. BD length and AC length will be equal now when the two triangles are congruent here. Okay, so BD square equal to AC square. So BD is nothing but here the coordinates of the B are cos x and sin x. So cos x minus cos y. BD length is nothing but the distance between the 2 points formula you have to use. Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square formula. So cos x minus sin y whole square plus sin x plus sin y whole square. Sin x plus sin y, why did you get here? This one. Minus sin y is there here. Here you are having minus sin y. Here these coordinates will be cos x comma sin x hota. So cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equals to the distance between these 2 points A and C. A coordinates are 1, 0. C coordinates are cos x plus y, sin x plus y. So x2 minus x1 means C ka x2, C ka x coordinate x2 मान लो. So cos x plus y, here minus 1. So cos x plus y minus 1 whole square plus sin x plus y minus 0 whole square you are going to get. Did you understand here? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And expand कर लो. Distance formula use करके. This is the formula used. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And on the expansion, a cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x plus y plus sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. In the first part, left hand side part is expanded. That is equals to right hand side part whenever it is expanded using a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square formulas, it is expanding. So cos square x plus y minus 2 cos x plus y plus 1. Okay, plus sin square x plus 1. And you see that here sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Cos square plus sin square y is equals to 1 you are going to get. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So minus 2 cos x plus y is nothing but here this minus 2 cos x plus y is equals to minus 2 of cos x cos y minus sin y, because whenever you expand this one, here you are going to get sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, you will get cos, here also 1 you are going to get cos sin square y plus cos square y is equals to 1, you will get 2, and here cos square x plus y sin square x plus y value is also equals to 1, and here 1 is there. So left hand side, right hand side, both the sides 2 you are going to get. The 2 will be cancelled. Then you are going to get left over the part is this one only in the left hand side, and right hand side this only the left over part. So whenever left hand side, sorry, in the left hand side you are going to have this and as well as this, and the right hand side you are going to have only this one. So that is minus 2 cos x plus y is equals to minus 2 cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So the reason is sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So from this you are going to get minus 2 get cancelled. Cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y you are going to get. Did you understand this one? Simplification. Or shall I explain to you again with
Yes, sir.
my own handwriting?
Sir, from there, sir, minus 2 cos x plus y, sir, from here.
Wait. I'm going to explain to you in something in different way. Please stop sharing that. My presentation, I will show it to you. Through that, I will explain to you. Please off the mic. See here, in this figure, I'm going to draw it to you. This is a point A is taken. This is 1, 0. And with the x-axis, it is making this is unit circle. A point B, which is making an angle of x radians. When it is making an angle of x radians, the coordinates of the B are cos x, sin x. X hoga. And with this, you take an angle which is making an angle of C, this one, y radians. So the total angle you are going to get here to here, the angle is this, here to here, the angle whatever you take, that is x plus y. So here then you are going to get the coordinates of this one as cos x plus y comma sin x plus y. Okay, and you take that point D in such a way that which is making an angle of y equal to y. So y, but as it is going in an anti-clockwise, clockwise direction, it will be represented with the negative symbol. So representation will be given negative, but the measure of this angle will be this angle, measure of this angle here to here. See here, I am showing to you, here to here, here to here, is y plus COD, this one, and measure of this angle here, y plus COD, same. So both the equal measure. Most of the students will say, sir, ये plus y होता है, minus y होता है. Minus y will be representation to show it is in a clockwise direction, negative angle. Okay, so that you remember. So then the coordinates of the D, whenever you take angle, whenever you represents cos minus y, so that is equals to cos y, and sin minus y is equals to minus sin y you are going to get. So these are the coordinates. So now as this triangle AOC, triangle A, this is O if you consider, and BOD are congruent. When these two are congruent, these lengths are equal. Why they are congruent? This length is equals to C. This length will be equal to this one, and this length will be equal to this one, and included angle, this angle equal to this angle. Then the two triangles are congruent. Then this length will be equal to this length. So AC and BD, this BD and AC are equal in the length. So now here, if you take into consider, is equals to AC square. So the distance between the 2 point formula is under root होता है, square है. So as you are having a square, under root will be get cancelled. And BD length, whenever you take, this is cos x is x2 minus x1. So cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x होगा plus sin y whole square. This is BD square, and it is equals to AC is nothing but what you get here, AC. So this is x2. This is x2. Cos x plus y is x2. x2 minus x1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. So what do you get here? Cos x plus y minus 1 whole square plus sin x plus y minus 0 whole square you are going to get. So इसको expand करो. So what do you get here? Cos square x plus cos square y minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y, which is equals to cos x plus y का whole square expansion, a minus b whole square, cos square x plus y minus 2 cos x plus y plus 1. इसका expansion is directly 0 है, so you can write directly sin square x plus y. So now you tell me this one plus this one will be equals to 1 plus cos square y sin square y is equals to 1. So next minus 2 cos x cos y, this one I have written, plus 2 sin x sin y I have written is equals to this one plus this one. What do you get? 1 na? Okay, you are going to get
Yes,
1. Plus again one more 1 is there here, that I am writing here, this one. Next, what is left over? Minus 2 cos x plus y. So here you are going to get 2, here you are going to get 2. 2 minus 2 0 हो जाएगा. So what is left over here? If you take the minus 2 common from these two, you are going to get cos x cos y minus sin x sin y you are going to get, which is equals to minus 2 cos x plus y. So minus 2 will get cancelled. So you are going to get cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is a basic formula. With the help of this, you are going to learn the remaining all the angles. You are going to learn the remaining all the sum and difference of the angles you are going to learn. Cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the first formula you can consider into. And in the same way, whenever you take into consider cos x minus y, the first one is cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. And here second formula is cos x minus y. You replace the y with the minus. Y का place में minus y लिखना है. So what do you get here? Cos x cos of minus y minus sin x Sine of minus y. So it is equals to ये तो automatically negative angle will become the positive, isn't it? So we are going to get cos x cos y plus हो जाएगा because this is sine of minus y is equals to minus sine y. So minus and minus plus हो जाएगा. Then you are going to get sin x sin y. So cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y. Cos x minus y is equals to cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x minus y is equals to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
The third one is sine. So you know that cos 90 minus theta means pi by 2 minus x is equals to sin x. Already I told you. This you can prove it. This one I told you 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta. Na? Do you remember? Whenever you are having 90 and 270, it is going to change the sine to the cos, cos to the sine, and tan to the cot, cot to the tan, secant to the cosec, cosec to the secant. Isn't it? So this you can prove with the help of it. इसमें substitute कर लो. In the place of x pi by 2 substitute करो. In the place of f x place में pi by 2, y place में x substitute कर लो. So you are going to get this sin x only. You can prove it. So how do you prove it? Here you have to write in this, in the place of x pi by 2, cos pi by 2 cos y plus sin x का place में pi by 2, sorry y का place में x. Here in the y place x you have to write, isn't it? ये दोनों कंपेयर करो, दोनों को कंपेयर करो. In the place of x pi by 2, in the place of y x. So in the place of y here x sin x. cos pi by 2 value 0, ये पूरा 0 हो जाएगा. sin pi by 2 value 1, ये 1 into sin x. So the answer is sin x. So cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to sin x. Okay, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Next fourth one in the same way, sin 90 minus theta, you can prove it. Sin 1 means pi by 2 minus x is equals to, in the same way you are going to get it as a cos x. Same way sin का formula में substitute करना है. Sir, we are not having the sin formula, what to do? So sin x plus y is equals to, whenever you take into consider, so here you see here sin 90 minus theta is equals to this one. If you want to prove, see like this you can prove. Sin 90 minus theta means 18 pi by 2 minus theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus of pi by 2 minus x. रिवर्स इंता सॉरी इससे पहले वाला है ना cos 90, ये पूरा पूरा थीटा मान लो. So in the previous result what you are having, cos 90 minus theta, ये can I write as a cos pi by 2 minus theta is equals to sin theta. So ये pi by 2 है, ये theta है, तो cos pi by 2 minus theta equal to sin theta. So using that in a reverse order, ये I have proved. और इसको simplify करो, what do you get? Cos pi by 2 ये plus x होगा, pi by 2 will get cancelled. So which is equals to cos x. Sin 90 minus theta is sin 90 means pi by 2 minus x is equals to cos x. So next, with the help of the above these two, you can prove the sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y. The fifth result is sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So sin x plus y is equals to this one. To prove, sin x plus y can be written as cos 90 minus x plus y. Can we write? Minus theta equal to sin theta, just like a previous result. this is equals to, you write this one as a sin cos pi by 2 minus x minus y. So now it became as a x y, ये पूरा x मान लो, cos x cos pi by 2 minus x को x मान लो. cos x plus y फॉर्मूला क्या है? cos x by x plus y का आइडेंटिटी.
Sir, x plus y.
x cos x minus y, cos x minus y is equals to
Cos x cos y minus plus sin x sin y.
ये cos y minus sin x, x का प्लेस में we are having pi by 2 minus x. Just replacing only, the remaining all the things are same. So cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to, cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to,
So sin x.
sin x, very good. Sin x cos y. This one,
Sir, cos y. So, sorry, cos x. So minus cos x.
cos x minus y means plus आ जाएगा ना.
No, sir, वो oh yes,
plus
sir.
हो जाएगा. So sorry, so cos x sin y. So this is the result you can prove. Sin x plus y is equals to, sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So in the same way, the remaining results also you can prove it. Sin x minus y. Can you say sin x minus y is equals to what? Same, sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This is sixth one. Sin x minus y is equals to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. ये कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं? Same way, same as replacing. Otherwise, you can do that in the previous result. Replace the y by the minus y. Previous result में y का place में minus y replace करो. So that means you can write this as a like this. Now अभी sin x plus y हो गया. Sin x plus y का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, isn't it? So this can be written as negative angle of the cos will be as it is. So sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Y minus this is equals to minus sin y you will get. So that's why its sign changes. Okay? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Next, in the same way, cos pi by 2 plus x you can find out. Plus x will be in the first quadrant. Already I told you. This directly also you can remember. Sorry, it is in the second quadrant. Pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x is in the second quadrant. So when it is in the second quadrant, you are going to, in the second quadrant, sin is only positive, cos is negative. So you are going to get negative. And it is pi by 2, whenever you are having, cos changes to the sin, sin changes to the cos. So the result is sin x. Like this blindly you can remember, but you can prove it. ये भी prove कर सकते हैं. कैसे prove कर सकते हैं? We are having a cos pi by 2 minus x is equals to sin x we are having. In the here, x का place में minus x substitute करो. Cos pi by 2 minus of minus x. So what do you get? Pi by 2 plus x ना, ये इसको ऐसा लिख दिया मैंने. So what do you get? Sin of minus x as per this. As per this, sin of minus x you will get. So sin of minus x is equals to minus sin x. Minus sin x is the given result. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
समझ में है ना? So in the same way, the remaining results, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, all the results you can prove it. It's not a very difficult to you to do. So all these identities, fatafat, you should be, you should ready to say. In the same way, next one, eighth one is sin pi by 2 plus x होगा. that is equals to cos x, ये भी prove कर सकते हैं because you are having sin pi by 2 minus x, sin pi by 2 minus x है. So and along with that you can prove that other results also, even pi minus x, pi plus x also. Suppose if you take into consider cos pi minus x prove कर सकते हैं. Can you tell me the what is cos pi minus x we will get? Can you tell me? Pi बोले तो what is mean by pi?
Sir, 180 degree, sir.
180 minus बोले तो which quadrant?
Sir, second.
quadrant में cos
Sir, minus.
as you are having here pi, as it is you are going to get cos x. हो गया. ये blindly to, this is the way to remember blindly, but ये prove करना चाहते हैं. Suppose if you want to prove this one, ये pi को pi by 2 split करो, pi by 2 plus pi by 2. अब ये पूरा थीटा मान लो. What do you get here? Cos pi minus x can be written as cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x. Did you get my point? Now it is in the form of cos pi by 2 plus theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta is equals to, already you have proved in the previous results. Here, cos pi by 2 plus theta is plus x is equals to minus sin x. So we are going to get minus sin pi by 2 minus x. Sin pi by 2 minus x already you have proved. That is equals to minus, yeah, minus as it is I wrote, this minus as it is I wrote, and in the place of the sin pi by 2 minus x we are going to get it as a cos x. Prove कर लिया ना? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Like this only, continuation, if you do that, you can prove that sin pi minus x is equals to, what do you get? Can anyone say? See, simple. Here
Sir,
you are having
sir, sin x.
Sin,
The positive. Sir, positive sin x, sir.
Positive sin x. That's all. Now cos pi plus x, what do you get here? Pi plus x ले लो. Plus बोले तो third quadrant. Third quadrant में cos negative होता है.
So minus cos x.
और minus cos x हो जाए. Very simple. Next in the same way, sin pi plus x, if you take into consider. Not only
So
sin.
So minus sin x, sir.
Minus sin x you are going to get. This is pi plus x, pi minus x. Even not only pi, 3 pi by 2 also you can take into consider. Again 3 pi by 2 को कैसे split कर सकते हैं? Suppose if the question is given, it is not given in your textbook में नहीं दिया है, but you can do it. Suppose if you take that this one 3 pi by 2 minus x ही दे दिया, ये find out करना. This one and this one both are little bit same only, because pi plus x third quadrant, 3 pi by 2 minus x third quadrant, both are third quadrant, so negative आ जाएगा. But as you are having 3 pi by 2, sign will changes to the cos. Sign will changes to the cos. Why change होगा बोले तो इसको prove करना है तो इसको split करना है. You have to split this one. You can split as a pi plus pi by 2 लिख सकते हैं 3 pi by 2 को. When you write pi plus pi by 2, देखो ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा? sin pi plus x. So ये हो जाएगा. Again, one more time you have to take into consider. So like this, if you are proceeding, even you can prove the 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and all the relations you can prove it in easiest way. It's not very difficult to you to prove. So let me ask you that sin 2 pi minus x is equals to what you did? What do you get? Sin 2 pi minus x is equals to.
So in fourth quadrant, sir, minus sin x.
In fourth quadrant, sine will be negative. So a plus
Min-
y is same as it is. You are going to get minus sin x. You are going to get sin 2 pi plus x is equals to 2 pi plus x बोले तो first quadrant में
yes, sir.
sin
plus
positive
sin
होगा. Suppose if you want to write cos 2 pi minus x, 2 pi minus x will be in the fourth quadrant. If you think like that,
Sir,
normally prove कर
the
लिया तो
positive cos x.
yes, you are going to get it as a positive cos x. And cos 2 pi plus x बोले तो that is also positive cos x, isn't it? 2 pi plus x is
Yes,
nothing.
sir.
2 pi plus x is nothing, but it is also first quadrant. So 2 pi plus x, whenever you take into consider, even sin cos, not only sin and cos, even tan also will be there. इसको prove करने का तरीका, you need to know that tan x plus y formula. Before going to prove करना है तो just directly to remember sin 2 pi plus x बोले तो 2 pi plus x will be in the first quadrant. First quadrant में tan is also positive, and 2 pi whenever you are having tan as it is, you will get so tan x, this result tan 2 pi plus x. ये prove करना है तो before going to prove this one, you need to learn tan x plus y formula. You need to learn tan x plus y formula. So here you can write this tan x plus y formula also you are going to have. Okay, did you get my point? So that remaining formulas we will learn in the next class. So already it is late and I'm having other class also. So but, and I want everyone to learn all the formulas till now, whatever we have learned